This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This car has a 6-speed manual transmission and a V8. Features include dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, stylish premium wheels, a rear spoiler, traction control, side impact airbags, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Lynn Smith Chevrolet in Burleson invites you to be a guest at our dealership and experience the finest new and used Chevrolet models Burleson has to offer. Visit us at 925 North Burleson Boulevard or online at lynnsmithchevy.com. Our friendly and experienced staff is ready to help you find the perfect car, SUV, or truck.